Comparing YouTube, TV, and traditional cable, costs and considerations. When deciding between YouTube, TV, and traditional cable, it's essential to evaluate the costs, flexibility, and value each option provides. 1. YouTube TV. Base plan. Cost $72.99 per month. Includes over 100 live channels, unlimited cloud DVR storage, and up to 3 simultaneous streams. Add-ons 4K Plus. $9.99 per month for the first 12 months, then $19.99 per month. Provides 4K streaming, offline downloads, and unlimited simultaneous streams at home. Sports Plus, $10.99 per month for additional sports networks like NFL Red Zone. Premium channels. Prices vary by channel, e.g., HBO Max, Showtime. 2. Traditional cable. Standalone cable TV. Cost $20 to $149 per month, with an average cost of $78 per month. Bundled services. TV plus internet, approximately $129 per month. TV plus internet plus phone, around $144 per month. Additional costs. Equipment rentals, monthly fees for cable boxes and DVRs, often $10 to $20 per device. Installation fees, one-time charges for setup, ranging from $50 to $100. Taxes and surcharges vary by provider and location, adding to the overall cost. 3. Key considerations. Flexibility. YouTube TV offers a contract-free experience with the option to cancel anytime. Traditional cable often requires long-term contracts, sometimes up to 2 years. Hidden fees. YouTube TV. Transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Traditional cable may include hidden charges, such as regional sports fees and broadcast fees. Channel offerings. Both options provide a variety of channels, but specific channel availability can vary based on the service provider. Comparison summary. Feature YouTube TV traditional cable. Monthly cost $72.99, base plan. $20 to $149, average $78. Flexibility no contract, cancel anytime. Often requires long-term contracts. Additional costs add-ons for extra features. Equipment rentals, installation fees.